I still remember watching the first few minutes of a classic movie by Rishikesh Mukherjee, Golmaal. Amol Palekar singing to the tune "Golmaal hai bhai, sab golmaal hai." Now, the recent market movement have been such that that's the line that I could think of today evening when I thought of sharing my views on the market. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, traders. Today, we are on the 7th of October 2021 and 8:23 p.m. We have a 180 points up move from the benchmark Nifty closing at 17,808. It could have been better. Yesterday's high was broken by the index, but it slipped towards the last hour. But overall, keeping in mind, considering the fact that we lost 202 points yesterday, today's move was fairly surprising and encouraging for the bulls. Sectors, real estate was the biggest gainer, more than 6%, followed by auto. Wonderful movement coming in from Tata Motors, Maruti, M&M. This was a good, decent support coming in from the auto sector for the index. And then we have the consumption, and the mid and small caps was right there, PSU Bank. So overall, decent participation came in from the sectors. Energy, Reliance was a little bit down. Public sector enterprises recently had a great run, so that pack was a little muted. FMCG, most of it was dragged by the weakness we saw in Hindustan Unilever, but no complaints. In fact, the volatility with which we are dealing with right now in the index and the way index are selling off and then the very next day bouncing back with strong moves is quite encouraging. Now, the trend has stayed up. Let's quickly take a look at the 75-minute time frame like we always do. Now, can you imagine, this is where we closed, this is where we were yesterday's close, and this is where we opened today morning. Now, back to this red box. This was something that I think we drew 3-4 days back, marking the short-term resistances. It had proven itself once. Now it's dealing with, the index is going to deal with this level once again. This level on the downside, the index did not respect. This was not much of a support at all. On the contrary, we can clearly see that the index seems to be respecting a level which is slightly down, further down, which is close to this zone. So on the upside, 17,900 stays as a short-term intraday resistance for the index tomorrow, the last final day of this week's trade. And if it manages to take it out, then of course we should be sailing towards 18K. It's very difficult to figure out levels and expect the market to respect those levels, because when the intraday volatility is on the higher side, a lot can happen in a very short span of time. So yeah, let's maintain the bullish bias. Let's be extra careful. You don't know what's going to come up, what's going to happen from where. But it's good to see that the sectors have participated. Bank Nifty is still holding well, not bad. On the daily time frame, the Bank Nifty was more of a spinning top, a gain of around 261 points, a little less than a percent, underperforming the Nifty, but not bad. It's actually holding well. So overall, we can expect that the index to do well. As we create this video on the global markets, the S&P 500 is up 1.5%, 66 points, 64 points up, big gap up, big follow through, lot of volatility. I think we've been talking about this index for almost 2 weeks now. It caught my attention primarily when we saw the roll down and the bounce back, and what degree of volatility the US equity market is going through is phenomenal right now. Dow Jones is up 530 points, huge move back to its previous swing high, and the SGX is up 54 points, 17,870. So 870, 900 stays the short-term resistances. All eyes on the top stocks, which matters to the overall market. And in that, Tata Motors gave a phenomenal move today, 12%, huge volumes. And that stock literally took off, followed by Maruti. Sun Pharma also performed really well. We've spoken about Sun Pharma a couple of weeks back, and the breakout and the previous resistance acting as support. This is a good sign. IT stocks has picked up yet again, HCL Tech and TCS, but that's more like supporting the index rather than phenomenal gains. On the downside, it was the HDFC and HDFC Bank, which was a little muted. That's okay. They've been performing well of late, and so especially HDFC Bank. HDFC is holding at supports. This is going to be a little interesting for the next few days, tomorrow, and maybe for the first half of next week. Now, this is an interesting level, short-term support zone for the index heavyweight. And if it holds, then we might see some bounce back, or else maybe a short-term correction is in the make. Hindustan Unilever also corrects close to 0.5% in today's trade. We can easily recall how wonderfully the stock had trended recently, and this is more like a correction of that move. So soon we should find some support kicking in for a bounce back. Bharti Airtel stays as a very important stock from a very long-term perspective, and I feel that this stock can also pick up. So overall, I think we are well poised unless we see some nasty move that we have seen recently. Nifty 17,800, 808, a great open and a decent close. It's not a great close, but it's a great open for the day. Needs to deal with 7,900, and if it does so, I think we should be comfortable. We should be comfortably closing for the week and should be looking bullish towards next week. Let's see what's in store. Hopefully, the intraday volatility or the opening and the closing, the kind of range-bound, range-based volatility that we have seen over the last 2-3 days eases off a little bit for us, especially for short-term traders. All right. Till then, trade well, trade well.